Father's Day weekend is here. June 15th, 2024. CN Hayes here. The early afternoon is here, and we got a move going by on the Barron of Maine. 8823 deleted. And the C6M rebuild of the 3311 again. Nice pass. And that's going to be today's S773 81 of the 15th for that roll by. That. So that's going to do it for that power move departure from West Ladysmith in the Father's Day weekend. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Have a great Father's Day weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.